we're back. Ito, natawa ako nung nakita ko yung tanong. Alam mo kung tanong?
Nakakabahan ako dyan.
Hindi. Nakakatuwa. Gusto ko maging santo, paano ba maging santo?
Wow.
Ang cute.
Akutis, ah.
Ang cute ng tanong.
Akutis. Carlo Akutis siguro, ano?
As an example, di ba?
Yeah. Paano maging santo?
Gusto ko maging santo, paano ba maging santo? If I were to rephrase it, gusto ko pumunta sa heaven.
Tama.
Right?
Hindi lang gusto ko maging
Hindi
mabait.
santo or santo na biglang nire-revere. It's,
Parang,
paano ba makapasok sa heaven? Siguro.
hindi siguro, kabaitang may excellence.
Ah.
Parang meron pang added value yung kabaitan. Kasi marami naman tao mababait eh.
Oo naman.
Pero ano yung sinasabi natin, sinasanto natin? Kasi hindi lang consistency siguro, pero talagang merong isang quality na hindi mo ma-describe. Parang, so ibig sabihin, gusto mo maging santo, payagan mo ang Diyos sapagkat siya ang santo, santo, santo. Di ba? Holy, holy, holy eh. So actually, in a search for holiness, again, it comes from the depths na ang Diyos nananawagan sa iyo to become like Him. Di ba? And sa akin, basically, sorry po, I think religious life, priestly life, is not about chastity,
Wow,
poverty,
Okay.
excellent ka dyan. Pwede
Obedience.
I think it's obedience.
Obedience, di ba?
I think yun ang kaibahan ni
Na
Jesu Cristo.
religious.
If Jesus is the paradigm of holiness,
Oo.
wala namang ginawa si Kristo para sa Kanya eh.
That's true.
Actually, sinik lang niya, sinearch lang niya, ano ba ang intensyon ng Ama? Makakabuti ba to sa ayon sa kalooban niya? No? Now, ang kalooban ng Ama, obvious eh. God so loved the world, He sent His only Son. Only nga eh. Kaisa-isa.
Kaisa-isa.
Hindi pa niya ipinagkait eh. So there is a certain parang generosity. Meron parang exuberance, enthusiasm na hindi mo maisip na kasi pwede ka naman maglingkod pero merong wow, ba't ganon?
Oo.
Diba? Actually, meron pong nakilala ako nakalagay nga dyan sa SLEX Shakey's Wow Center of the Philippines. Kasi boss ko niyan, Vic Gregorio, sabi niya, magpupunas ka na rin ng table, sabi niya sa isang waiter, gawin mo ng wow.
To the best of your ability.
O, sabi niya, ano yung sabihin po ng wow? Number 1, better than before. Second, better than before, better than others,
Okay.
better than expected. Wow.
So it's that extra that makes you a saint.
Oo, meron parang wow.
May wow factor.
Kaya nga, pag ang tao, nakakita ng isang tao na hindi lang yon but merong more,
Oo.
sinasabi ng mga Jesuita magis.
Magis.
Oh, parang there is more. Ang tawag dun, if the heavens is so high, di ba? Sky's the limit, ika nga. When you meet people, unli. Gusto ba natin unli eh? Unli text, unli ganon. We wish the unli eh. We wish to arrive at that point where hindi tayo mapagbilang. We don't count. Di ba? You don't count the cost. So I think if a person would ask me, Padre, paano maging santo? Ang unang tanong ko sa kanya are you generous? Are you able to, is it more of a habit in you? You go beyond your comfort zone. Kasi comfort zone is, limits you eh. Dito na ako. Hindi ako lalabas dito. Satisfied na ako dito. Okay na sa akin. Pero there are other people outside that comfort zone.
Oo.
That probably you need to go to of your time, of your talent, di ba? Even probably of your treasure, of your money. Pero pag wala ganong habitual sense of other, yung generosity, I'm afraid you will not be able to,
To be
what
a
we would
saint.
call, to be a saint.
No, saka you cannot be just prayerful and know the Bible. You have to do something, right?
Kaya sabi nga, tama yun eh, the quest is not for perfection. The quest is for excellence.
Oo.
And excellence means what you have, what God has endowed you with, and you put your best, you put your highest effort, because it may be asked of you of certain situations and contexts.
And your best for others, right?
It's for the others, yeah.
Right?
Because
It's always sa kapwa, right?
kaya nga may good, better, best sa puso, di ba? Di ba? You can also be just good eh.
You just be a good person.
Ang tawag ko nga sa good person is like a beautiful flower arrangement pot in the corner. Pero maganda, attractive, pero yung kanyang engagement with other flowers, siguro wala. Stands out siguro, pero when you need to be a living person with choices on that, when you reach out to those who don't deserve it, that's called unconditional. Eh.
It's very Christ-like.
That's it. That's God-like.
Because you want to be like Christ, right?
Unconditional.
Walang condition, walang condition. To feed and not to count the cost.
Ayan.
To fight and not to heal the wounds. To toil and not to seek for rest.
So, bakit nagkaroon tayo ng to dream the impossible
Oo
dream?
nga eh.
To fight the
Beatable
unbeatable
foe.
foe.
To bear with unbearable sorrow.
Oh, these are
To run
qualities
where
of
the brave dare not go.
Oh, that's the wow.
Oh, that's the wow. Tama.
Saka napawaw sa ating mga heroes. They're also wow eh. Our heroes are saints.
Oo.
Di ba? Na they did not think of their own comfort alone.
Or what will happen to them, but what will happen to others.
Yes.
Unless I act.
So I'm happy that those questions come.
Actually, di ba ang ganda ng tanong?
I could imagine a kid,
Oo, it's like a kid asking
di ba?
a question.
A kid asking and telling you, paano maging santo?
Meron pang like in terms of how I should behave Christ-like. May favorite ako ng favorite po rin eh. You think less of yourself. You pray ni St. Francis. It's yung to be understood and to understand, to be...
Make me an instrument
Make
of
me
your
an
peace.
instrument of peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring love. Yun din naman sinabi ni Jesus, di ba? Yun din yung ginagawa niya.
Sabi nga nila,
I don't seek to be understood. I want to understand more.
automatically, when you put a light, some darkness disappear.
Oo, correct. Kahit pa paano.
So you're not working on the darkness eh.
Oo.
You try to put a light. Positive yun eh.
Oh, nasa prayer din ni St. Francis, where there is darkness, only light, and where there's doubt, through faith in you, which is obedience.
Yeah. So, you have an influence. Sabi nila, I am not too sure how scientifically true is this. A liter of Coke, or 1.5 liter na para we could imagine how big is that. You throw it in Manila Bay. In 1 year, one drop, one molecule of that Coke that you throw are in all the oceans of the world.
O, di ba?
Why? Because there is a connectivity. There are the waves brought about by the winds. And there is a constant, movement, but connectivity. So, a drop of your love in an ocean of hatred, you can believe that it can have an effect. I think, yun ang legacy ni Pope Francis sa atin eh. Yeah. Alam niyo, if I would be asked to recall what is to become a saint, the first thing I said to myself when I saw him, he asked the Roman people, the people of Rome, because he's the Bishop of Rome, he bowed down. He did not bless them. He asked them to bless him.
Baliktad.
So, kaagad doon, I was stunned. Sabi ko,
Iba to.
Iba to. Kasi sabi niya,
Saka when he meets people, though, he doesn't just say, please pray for me. That's so humble.
yeah. He connected to his context. I'm the Bishop of Rome. Yeah. I'm also Peter, the successor of Peter, who resides in Rome. But my immediate task or territory or ang gusto ng Diyos mahalin ko is these people. And so, he got himself engaged. And because he is, of course, of a certain Italian descent, though Spanish-speaking, he spoke in Italian. Diba? And lo and behold, diba, if the church dishes out her encyclicals of the Pope are always in Latin, Amoris Laetitia, Christus Vivit, all of a sudden it's called Laudato Si, Fratelli Tutti, Italian. The only two letters that are at this time.
I think also Jesus told us how to be a saint.
Oh yeah.
Yung whatever you do to the least of my brothers, you do to me. The lonely, the needy, the left behind, the unaddressed.
Ang tawag ngayon dyan, inclusion.
Oo.
Project inclusion nga, magandang tawag din eh. The church, sabi niya, why don't you widen the tents? Di ba when you have a tent tolda, normally it falls down kasi meron kang tukod and so the sides become down. What if you get the sides and put other tukod? And so mas marami will go under will go under the shade. Diba? Instead of enclosing yourself in a tent, if you put the sides, no, enlarge your tent means include more in your life.
Ganun din naman nagsimula yung early Christian church dun sa mga hindi pa inaabot, right?
And up to now.
Yun
ang ginagawa ng simbahan. Kaya nga sabi ng iba na not to be bragging, pero social action, social work, started really with Jesus eh. Kasi he was the one who took in the foreigner, the alien nga, na pwedeng paglaruan ng isang population. And so, homeless ika nga, pero pilgrim or traveler, he gave the first hostel.
Sa akin, nausap niya yung hindi kasama sa society, Samaritan.
Oh.
Yung mga anong tawag niya? The peripheries.
Pero yung social services, the sick. If you visit, the first hospital, the first hotels. Yung sabi nating motel sa Amerika, hindi yung type of motel dito.
The first buffet, yung fishes and the bread.
Pero yung
feeding.
Feeding. Yeah.
Of course, raising the dead.
Ngayon, ginawang social security ng mga developed countries. Because of, sabi na, social democrats, no? That's good. That has affected Christianity, Christ, has affected our law. Naging social security.
Wala pang social security.
Ito na lang may 13th month pay, di ba? Bakit? 12 months lang naman O bakit? Hindi nyo na alam? Kung 12 months, and there are 4 weeks in every month, 48 weeks lang. 52 weeks eh.
May 4 weeks talagang sobra.
O, di 13th month talaga.
It makes sense naman pala.
Diba? Kaya tama yung 13th month. May karapatan ng tao na masweldo siya.
Dahil nag-work ka ng 52 weeks.
Weeks ka eh. I mean, months ka pala. Sorry. 12 months. Hindi eh. 52 weeks. It's actually 13 months and 1 day. 365 yan.
Kung may leap year pa, plus 1 day pa. So, thanks for that question. That was very interesting. We'll be back. Keep on liking our posts, sharing this episode, and subscribe to this channel. And keep on asking Theo. Diba? We can be saints.
Yeah.
Amen.